The last thing we want to touch on is, well, a couple things. First is Vim help. So if you go back into Vim, you type help. Okay, this gets you into the help articles here. Let me go ahead and get my environment set back up here. Okay, go into Vim and type in command mode help, and it brings up the help text here. And you can do help or just H by itself. You can do help grep, and then you supply a pattern here. Okay, so basically what you're searching the help documents for. Okay, and once you've found something, you can use command CN to go to the next occurrence. As you can see down there, there's 4. To watch that, I'm at 5 of 1,715 occurrences of the word select in the Vim documentation. You can see that in the lower left hand portion of my screen there. You can also do help and then an option. Okay, so for instance, like number. Remember we did set number. Okay, and as you can see, that's the documentation right there for the number option. All right, we can also do help and then control X. And that will give us help on the control X command. Okay, and again, you can do, help for any other number of control something options there. Also, you can do help, and then you can type in the command or the option, and Vim is going to take you to that portion of the documentation. So remember our Q for quit. Remember that. And last, we're going to do Control D. So if you type in Control D, it's going to show you all the commands that start with help or anything else. So if you do like Q, Control D, it'll give you all the commands that start with a Q. Okay. Last, we're going to talk about vimtutor. And vimtutor basically is a built-in tutor file that contains step-by-step instructions for learning Vim. So if you just type vimtutor, all right, and then that opens up vimtutor. And the cool thing about vimtutor, there's also a Spanish version. So if you do vimtutor ES, there's your Spanish version. I haven't looked at if there are other versions, unfortunately. There's very possibly that there are, but I'm just not sure. So hopefully this first round of tutorials has helped you. Again, this is VIM Basics,